Put a finger down. This niche is trending on YouTube and TikTok. Honestly, I have watched at least 100 of them at this point. All of them get millions of views. TikTok's creativity program and YouTube's shorts monetization pays a lot of good amount of passive income if you get millions of views. So I would recommend give it a try and you might get crazy results. In this video, I'll go over the steps on how to create those videos. Here's an example video to get started.
Put a finger down if you've traveled to more than 3 countries.
Come to ChatGPT and say, give me 10 put a finger down questions. After that, copy the questions from ChatGPT and come to 11 Labs and paste the questions here. Put a good voice for your question type. After that, click generate. Now you need free satisfying videos. Come to YouTube and search satisfying video. Remember to be in computer, or if you're on mobile, go to Google and open YouTube on desktop mode. After that, click on the 3 bars and click Creative Commons. Now you are eligible to use these videos. Download them from any YouTube video downloader website. Now come to CapCut. You can use other software too. Get your satisfying video and add the voiceover. After you're done with that, come to sound effects and get clock ticking sound, and also add a bell sound on the end and a clock sound on the gap here. Repeat this process for the rest of the video. Then come to text and add auto caption. I'll choose this animation and click start. After that, adjust the text and the color. Also set a good font. Add a number down here to keep the viewer engaged and change it every time the bell rings like this. Add background music if you wanna, but copyright free music let the pixabay. That's all for today. If you did everything, you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.